If you're on a Windows PC and you're using OBS Studio, you can click on your webcam and you'll notice you have a lot of different parameters that you can change. If you want to make changes to the actual webcam, you can select Configure Video. As you can tell, there's a lot of different parameters here. The one I worry about the most is autofocus because I don't want autofocus enabled. If we go to the parameters, you can tell that they do take effect in real time. For example, if I take the saturation and I bring it all the way down to black and white, a lot of you can probably tell I'm using my Mac Mini. If I put my hand in front of the camera, you can tell it's trying to autofocus. I didn't want my webcam autofocusing. If we click on my webcam itself, we don't have all the parameters that we have on a Windows PC. We certainly can't configure my webcam within OBS. It's okay because I can click out of here. Let me get the X. We can see autofocus here. So if I click that, now if I put my hand in front of the webcam, you can tell it's not trying to make adjustments. If we look at the software itself, you can tell there's quite a lot of parameters that you can change. So if I go into saturation, it's real time. You can see exactly what it's going to look like in OBS Studio. Why the Macintosh doesn't have the parameters right within OBS like you do on the Windows side of things, I'm not sure, but this method does work. You would have to go to the manufacturer's website and download the correct software for your camera. If you have the Emeet S600 like I have, you can download the Emeet Link software.